Hello, okay, welcome to a cleaning vlog. I'm covered in glitter because I've been pulling out Christmas decor and I have some pretty sassy makeup on right now because I also filmed another video. But right now we are cleaning this bathroom because it's a nightmare, an absolute nightmare in here. It is messy, there's stuff everywhere, I have a wonky curl, ignore it. It needs tidying really bad in here. And a good deep clean. We're going to do a deep clean. Like, we're going to be in here for some few hours, I think. So I have gathered all my cleaning supplies. We have a broom. I'm going to mop in here when I'm done. We got our dustpan. We've got a brand new scrub brush that we're going to scrub everything down with. We've got our Mrs. Meyer's Snowdrop scented cleaner today. I'm obsessed with those. And for the heavy duty cleaning, we do have some good old real bathroom cleaner. This is the Clorox bathroom ultra cleaner, something rather we're going to use on the big stuff, and we're going to do some scrubbing with this little brush. Okay, let's get to it. I'm going to put on a podcast and you'll just get to listen to some nice music, but we're about to get serious. It is time to clip the hair up and get it out of the face. You know we mean business when this is happening. We mean business. Hey, and we are all done. Both bathrooms, spotless. Very echoey in here because I don't have any of my rugs. They're all in the wash, but I just put my little towel down. It's time for a hot bath, get all this makeup off, and go to bed. Your girl is wiped out. That was a bigger undertaking than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, the dust, it's getting to me. But what I'm gonna do is light me a beautiful little candle that I forgot I had. This is white tea and jasmine. This is lemon, white tea, bergamot, rose, jasmine, sage, musk, amber, violet. Good Lord, how many notes could you put on a candle? Let's get this lit. There we go. Put that right there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Everything is looking so organized and neat and tidy. Did a little decluttering, threw away some stuff, just some good cleaning. Felt good. It felt good. And just to reorganize. Kind of start the new year off right. So, yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later.